Okay, so here we woke up late, like always. I'm starting to put the blinds up so there's light in the room so we can start making the bed. And there's Natalie. She's always there when I'm making the bed. So is my baby boy. And she's just always getting in the way. Here in a little bit you will see Natalie cuddling with the her blanket. So right there I'm making Natalie's crib. And she's just playing. This is what I mean. So now I'm gonna use the Febreze. It smells like coconut and like if you're in the beach. Now we're gonna start putting the laundry to the laundry room and then start putting the dirty clothes in the washer and adding the soap. And then here, since we had breakfast, I'm gonna clean the table and the milk, put it away as well as the cookies, wipe it down, wipe down the chairs and the kids' chairs. I actually really love this product. It's like aromatherapy and it smells really, really good. Then I'm going to show you the dirty dishes. I started to make a salsa for lunch. I made some quesadillas with some steak and so did the kids. And then I had some leftover salad that I was going to eat. This is after lunch, the mess in the kitchen again. And then this is after I'm done cleaning it. I wiped down everything, washed the dishes. And we're ready to get ready for the day. Actually, it's already late here. I'm doing my hair. I'm gonna get ready to go to Walmart and run some errands. Natalie wants to say hi. Hi. Gracias. Ya nomás, okay? Yeah. Now I'm back. Gonna finish up doing my bun. Honestly, I've been trying to learn to do different hairstyles, more than just a bun every single day, but there I am again, just making a bun, just quick and simple. What happened? Now I'm adding my Bath and Body Works lotion. It smells like baby powder. I absolutely love this lotion. Then we're gonna start. Oh, we're gonna put some spray, perfume. Okay, we're ready to go to Walmart. Then I came home. I made some lo mein. I got some for the kids as well. I didn't record doing the dinner because I was trying to hurry up. Then my husband came home, ate some dinner. And then here's the mess again. And I didn't film myself cleaning it, but I cleaned it. I washed them dishes, cleaned the floor.